to Yeti My Ride. Today's video, we got a truck sent in from Dave Petrovsky. I'll tag him below. I'll tag his Instagram. He hit me up saying he had a Haunter body and a Haunter chassis and some miscellaneous goodies to get assembled and painted. Just kind of cracked the box open. Didn't look too hard, but some stuff in here. Some stuff. So without further, I'm having a hard day. Without further ado, let's see what we got in this little box of goodies. You can already see we got a little figurine for Mr. 9 Umbrellas. Although he's seen better days. I don't think he has any hands. No, he does no hands. Although there is a leaf blower. Not sure how we're going to operate that with the lack of hands. And we got an RS100 servo. Looks like it's on a servo mount already, so we'll see what else is in here. We got some wheels and some tires, although it's on wheels and tires. Not sure what those are. I like the bead locks though. Some little guys. What are these? It's RC 4-wheel drive tires. The mud terrains. It's like an Amazon wheel. Not sure what bead lock that is, and some scale hardware. We like that. We like that. I think there's a couple more parts. Little baggy. Got some tiny terrain knuckles. We like that as well. And the truck. Let's see what. All right. It's done. Ship it back. Okay, the body is mounted. We got some pink links. OGRC axles. I should have asked them what wheels these are, because these might be TCRC wheels, but then I don't know what bead locks he's using, but they got scale hardware on it. Got some foam in the tires. Big old brass front diff cover. And a super sweet skid plate. That'll be going back in the box. Definitely not staying on. Oh, we got another servo mount here too. Are these the smoothie links? You guys know? I'm assuming they're the smoothie links since they're pink, unless he painted them. No, they're the smoothie links. It's like where the pinks wore away, it's bronze. I wonder if they're brass links. But Haunter body, clean print, super clean print, and the Haunter chassis on a little hinge. I haven't used a Haunter chassis yet. Got no motor, no trans, no shocks, as you can tell there. Looks like we're gonna need some work in the body mount. We're a little far forward with the body. He wants it painted. He said the wife wants pink flames, so I'm assuming that's to go with the pink links. I'll have to look if I have pink paint. I don't think I have pink, so we'll have to go shopping. But like I said, super clean print by Haunter. It looks super nice. Not sure where we're gonna go with this one. I do, however, like the tiny tires a little bit better. Especially if we're going with pink. I don't want to do pink and red. The anodized red's not my favorite. So maybe we'll use these. We'll have to get these mounted up and see how it looks with the body. A little more of a scalar look. I'll have to get this thing torn down. See what we can come up with. All right, so to get started here, let's get this body off. Oh, the wheels. We'll do the wheels first, and we'll see where we can go from there. Looks like you've got hex extenders on it. Explains why she's so wide. Because I was kind of worried about using the smaller wheels and tire setup, but get rid of these hex extenders. It might fit this body a little better. I said I do like the gold hardware on the anodized red. That does look pretty good. Okay, so get these over here. Pull these hex extenders off. Always pull your pins out and put them to the side so you don't lose them. Can't tell you how many pins I've lost. Set them to the side. I know they're a pain taking in and out, but it's just easier to set them to the side. You know where they are. I'm really curious to know how many pins are in Mr. 24 Yep's desk. Who's got a good guess? I really want to see this body with the smaller wheels and tires on it. That's what I'm super curious about. If not, we can always either demount those or donate some tires to the project. Okay. See what we're working with here. I haven't used the OGRC axles either. I've used the Endura, so I'm sure they're the same. Like these are the +4s. I'm sure they're very similar. They look very similar. They look identical, not gonna lie. There's got good axle shafts in here. U-joint style. Rep Mr. 24 Yep on the front and bumpy sticky. Never actually, is it bumpy sticky? Never actually sure of what that stands for. I think it's bumpy, right? All right, so I guess what we'll go from here is I will get the links mounted to the chassis. I have some all black shocks. We'll just go with, I have a spare set of all black shocks. We'll throw some all black shocks on it. The old Endura 43s. Or sorry. Yeah, Endura 43s, the all black ones. We'll throw those on here. We'll throw the smaller wheels and tires on it, and we'll see where she's sitting. thinking? I'm digging it. It's like a little go-kart. Tiny tire killer. Mini Mayhem-esque, you could say. It's kind of why I'm thinking, since I was told pink flames are basically my only guideline, my only build rule was pink flames. Maybe we kind of make this a little rough and tumble looking. I haven't done that style painting in a while. So maybe we'll dabble back into that. Hard part is it gave me a driver, and there really isn't much room in here to do an interior. Unless we just kind of glue the driver into the window here. But that'll kind of look shoddy. I don't know. What's everybody's thoughts? Let me know in the comments. How are we feeling on this thing? I'm really digging it. It's not some crazy comp crawler, but be a blast to rip around. The suspension feels really good. Shocks feel nice. This diff cover is atrocious. I hate every bit of it. I think since we had the tiny terrain knuckles, we're gonna get rid of that boy and just throw something basic on there. But what's everybody's thoughts? I'm really gonna watch the comments and kind of see where you guys think this should go. On that note, thanks for watching. Stay wild.